Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. Class 9, Chemistry, Lesson 2. Is matter around us pure? My dear students, when we use the word pure, then literally it comes in our mind only and only one thing. When we buy the things from the market, like a orange juice, ghee, rice, milk, we expect that in that sample only one kind of matter. Let us take only one example of like a milk. We think of if milkman do not add water, then we call it as pure milk. In a common language, we understand the things in this manner. If milkman do not add water, then we say really it is a pure. But in the context of science, milk is not a pure compound, rather it is a mixture of water, fat and protein. So similarly, in a common people or in a common observation, if in a market or if the things are not added, or we call it as adulteration. If no adulteration is done, then we call it as a pure. If adulteration is done, then we call it as a mixture. It is for the common people observation, but in a scientific way, it cannot be. So today, we would like to discuss this topic. It means this matter can be classified on the basis of chemical properties. The matters are classified on the basis of chemical properties. Like in the first chapter we have studied matters, classification of matter on the basis of physical properties. So when the matters are classified on the basis of chemical properties, what could be? One, a sample of a substance which contains only one kind of matter. That is called pure compound, pure substance. A sample of matter which contains only one kind of a substance, then it is called pure substance. Or particles which are made up of a single form of a matter is called pure substance. And another types of is a mixture in which two or more pure substances are combined together, not in a fixed proportion, then it is called mixture. So matter can be classified in two types. One is a pure substance, another one is a mixture. Pure substance contain only one kind of atoms or molecules. Single form of a matter is called pure substance. And a sample of matter which is made up of two or more kinds of matter or combination of two or more pure substance is called mixture. So I think you understood the chemical classification of matter. When the matters are classified on the basis of chemical properties, it can be divided into two categories: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance contains single form of matter, whereas in a mixture it contains two or more kinds of pure substance. So let us talk about the mixture. Like these days is the summer days, everyone likes to enjoy with the sarbat or lemonade, water containing lemon, soda water. Like in a very simple example, sarbat, the water and sugar. The water is a pure compound, sugar is also a pure compound, but when we mix together two or more pure substance, not in a fixed proportion, then the resultant substance is called mixture. When two or more pure substances combine together, not in a fixed proportion, then it is called mixture. As for example, as I said, water plus sugar is a mixture. Sand and sugar is a mixture. Though sand is a pure substance, sugar is also a pure substance. But when these two mix together, not in a fixed proportion, then we call it as a mixture. Now, take the example of once again sarbat and sand and sugar. Once you mix water and sugar, and another one is sand and sugar, you mix thoroughly. What do you observe? In sugar solution, you are not able to visualize the particles of sugar. Only we could see water only. But in the case of sugar and sand, how much you mix it, but you are able to see where is the sugar particle, where is the sand particle. Both are mixture, but yet we are able to visualize. In the sarbat we are not able to see the sugar particles, whereas in the sand and sugar we are able to see. Both are mixture, but see the properties are different. So two types of mixture we got it. In one, there is no visible boundary between these two pure substances. Then such mixture is called homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which particles are uniformly distributed. There is no visible boundary between the two components. Two components are here, water and sugar. there is no visible boundary. Whereas the other type of mixture, sand and sugar, there is a visible boundary. We could see that there is a sand, there is a sugar. There is a visible boundary. So such type of a mixture are called heterogeneous mixture. So what is a heterogeneous mixture? A mixture which do not have uniform composition throughout its mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Other example like oil and water. How much you mix, but you will be able to distinguish. There is a visible boundary between the oil and water. So it is another example of a heterogeneous mixture. Thank you. Have a nice day.